to mathematics class. What class? Mathematics class. Okay. Which class are you studying? Your second class children. Your second class children. Next. Say, what is spelling of mathematics? Can you tell me? M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Once again say M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Okay. Once close your books. What I am telling, close your books. Fold your hands. Look at me all up. Raise your two hands. What I am telling, listen carefully. Raise your two hands. Raise your two hands. Clapping hands. There only clap your hands. Clapping your hands. Very good. Are you clear my voice? Are you clear my voice? Very good. Stop the claps. Fold your hands. And all are keep your videos on. Keep your video on. Okay. So today we are going to discussing about descending order. In previous class, what we learned in previous class? What we learned? Ascending order. What we learned, children? Ascending order. What does mean by ascending order? Ascending order means we should arrange the numbers small number to big number. Yes, small number to big number. Did you understand? Did you remember? Small number to big number. Okay, children. Once say the 1 to 10 numbers in ascending order. 1 to 10 numbers in ascending order. Show me your 10 fingers. Show me your 10 fingers. Very good. Close that one. Now tell me 1 to 10 numbers in ascending order. What I am telling? 1 to 10 numbers in ascending order. Let's start. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Akil, Akil, look at me. How to read, children? Now we counted in ascending order. We counted in ascending order. Once again, close your fingers. Once again, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes? These numbers are in ascending order. So, today we will be seeing about new concept, that is a descending order. What is that, children? Descending order. Say loudly all. Descending order. D-E-S-C-E. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. O-R D-E-R. Order. Descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. O-R-D-E-R. Order. Manogna, open your mouth. Close your book. Shut the Manogna. Look at me. Close your book. Read along with me. Now, you all are read along with me. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. descending, descending order. O-R-D-E-R, descending order. Okay, let's see count 1 to 10 numbers in descending order. Okay, children. 1 to 10 numbers in descending order. Show me your 10 fingers. What I am telling? Show me your 10 fingers. Managna, show me your 10 fingers. Srujan, very good. 10 fingers. These are 10 fingers. So, let's see count in descending order 1 to 10 fingers. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What did you observe? We counted the numbers in descending order, means biggest number to smallest number. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is biggest number to smallest number. Once again read. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you understand, children? This is only called descending order. This is called descending order. Now, the definition is right on the board. Okay? Descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. Descending order means we should arrange the numbers from biggest number to smallest number. Okay, children? We should arrange the numbers from the biggest number to smallest number. Is called descending order. We should, W-E-V, we should. We should arrange the numbers. A-R-R-A-N-G. We should arrange the numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number. The biggest number to smallest number. The smallest number. The smallest number is called descending order. Is called descending order. Okay, children, see here. Descending order. All are look at me. Read along with me. We should arrange the numbers. We should arrange the numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number. From the biggest number to the smallest number is called descending order. Is called descending order. Okay, once again. We should arrange the numbers from the biggest number to the smallest number. Is called descending order. Okay, children, did you understand? Okay, once in descending order. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In these numbers, which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest number from these numbers? Show me with your fingers. Very good. 10 is the biggest number. 10 is the biggest number. Now let's tell me children, which is the smallest number from these numbers? Show me it with your fingers. Which is the smallest number from these numbers? Very good. Most of the children need to tell me 1. This is the smallest number. This is the smallest number. So, we arranged biggest number to smallest number. This is called descending order. This is called descending order. Descending order. Right, children? Write in your notebook. Write in your notebook. Take out your notes and write up. Write neatly in your notebook. Aradhya, what are you doing? Aradhya, are you writing or not? Shivashant, Nandori Shivashant, raise your hand. Shivashant, raise your hand. Very good. Very good. Listen properly. Rasna, did you complete? Srija, did you complete? Fayaz, did you complete? Okay. Now some examples, let us see. Write the numbers in descending order. In descending order. Okay, children. Let us have some examples. Write the numbers in descending order. Okay, let's write down. First question. 35, 93, 64, 7, 16. Okay, 35, 93, 64, 7, 16. Now we have to write these numbers in descending order. Okay children, now we have to write these numbers in descending order. Now let us arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, first, what is mean by descending order? What is mean by descending order? The biggest number will come first. The biggest number will come first. And then the series will continue. Means biggest number we write. Next, remaining numbers, which is the biggest. Yes? So first what we will do? Which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest number from these numbers? Tell me students, which is the biggest number from these numbers? Which is the biggest number? 93. Which is the biggest number? 93. So let me see ones places. 5, 3, 4, 7, 6. Now let us see tens places. What we will see? Tens places. 3, 30. 3 tens means 30. This is the 90s number. This is the 90s number. 16. 7, 16. Okay? So 35, 93, 64, 7, 16. Now let's rearrange the numbers in descending order. So first, tell me students, which is the biggest number from these numbers? Which is the biggest number? 93. Very good. So simply record this number. Simply record this number. Now we have to write here 93. What? Next, which number will come after 93? Which number will come after 93? Let us see. So 93 already did right. So you forget that number. The next, remaining 35, 64, 7, 16. Tell me students, which is the biggest number from these numbers? Which is the biggest number? 64. Very good. 64 is the biggest number. Now, this is also simply cut first. Then we have to write here 64. Okay. Next, biggest numbers. The series will continue. Yes or no? Biggest number. The series will continue. So 93 over, 64 also over. Let us see remaining numbers. Let us see remaining numbers. Now tell me students, 35, 7, 16. And which is the biggest number from these numbers? These two are you forget. Okay? These two you forget. Why? Because already this series over. 35 and 64. 35 and 7, 16. These three numbers. Which is the biggest number from these three numbers? Which is the biggest number? 35. Very good. Which is the biggest number? 35. Simply you write this one. You have to write here 35. Okay. Next, you forget these numbers. 7 and 16. 7 and 16. So, which is the biggest number from these two numbers? Which is the biggest number from these two numbers? Which is 16. Very good. So look at this 16. 16. And next number is last one is 7. Right, like that only. Yes. Now we arranged these numbers in descending order. In descending order. Let us see. 93 and 64. 93 and 64. 93 is biggest number. 64 is small number. Next. 64 and 35. 64 is biggest number. 35 is small number. Next, 35, 16. 35 biggest number, 16 small number. 16 and 7. 16 is the biggest number, 7 is smallest number. So, now we arrange it. 93 is biggest number, 7 is smallest number. So, these numbers are in descending order. Yes or no? Yes, very good. These numbers are in descending order. Let me discuss one more example. Let me discuss. Second question. 45, 98, 32, 74, 63. Okay, children. 45, 98, 32, 74, 63. Now, we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. In descending order. Answer. See here. 45, 98, 32, 74, 63. So, which is the biggest number from these numbers? Which is the biggest number from these numbers? Anyone, can you tell me? Srija, can you tell me? Unmute your mobile and then say it to me. Srija, unmute your mobile.
93.
Which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest number? 90. Very good. 98. Which is the biggest number?
96.
This is the 98. Who are you? 98. See children. 45, 98, 32, 74, 63. So which is the biggest number from these numbers? 98. So simply we cut this number and write here 98. 98. Next, which number comes after 98?
99.
No. In these numbers, what I am asking children, from these numbers only. Okay? Means, which number comes after means in descending order. In descending order. So, first we have to write 98. Next, remaining numbers means 45, 32, 74, 63. In these numbers, which is the biggest number from these numbers? Which is the biggest number from these numbers? Which is the biggest number? 74. 74 is the biggest number. So simply we cut this number and write. Also 98 and 74. These two completed. these two completed. Remaining 45, 32, 63. In these numbers, which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest number? 63. So we can this 63. Next, 45, 32. In these two numbers, which is the biggest number? Which is the biggest number? Dasna, can you tell me? 45 is biggest number. Next, last one is 32. Last one is 32. See here, 98, 74, 63, 45, 32. These are in descending order. These numbers are in descending order. I will send the homework pic, children, and this one complete in your C notes. This is also send your pic. Okay? 98, 74, 63, 45, 32. Did you understand all the children? What is mean by descending order? Tomorrow we will discuss about once again ascending order and descending order. Both. Okay? Once again I will revise ascending order and descending order. This one also I will send pic. Okay, thank you students. Bye bye.